trying another sound setup, this time with AirPods. Let's see how effective it will be. I mean, overall, even the previous setup was better than nothing, but the sound was not that great, so let's see how this one will fare. Yesterday it was raining like all day, bit upright weather, and it was funny that it was raining like for several hours and then sunny for half an hour and then raining again. It's really weird weather. Today it's a bit more sunny, as you can see, so let's see what will be tomorrow, because tomorrow is Friday. Maybe the weather will be better. Here I'm always forgetting where is the bump. This one, right? No, one more. Told you. Catch the one, miss the one. Even though it's almost like 8 p.m. but or a shooter, I don't know. Still green. Okay, that's fine. The petrol got cheaper. Not that changing a lot, but quite interesting movement of the price, I would say. Why guys on the scooters are never saying hi? Like, never. This is like really weird. And then they are complaining that nobody is considering them as the normal guys on two wheels. tune a bit my clutch because it's kind of grabs in the end of the movement. Maybe it would be better if it grabs earlier. Maybe. Maybe not. I guess I will make a kind of small round. So let's see. Come on. Funny that these digit counters are actually like not doing any shots whatsoever shit. But somehow this psychological trick works, you know. You see your speed and it's like the big speed. And you're like, okay, I will be slower. At least you know that something. I was like also, okay, nothing. funny that I didn't feel it. It's like driving through it all the time. Usually it starts to bang you on the head, but here it wasn't like even bang on the head. Well, at least I figured. Okay. I have also the built well helmet, and there when I forgot like to strap the helmet, it was like bang like a crazy. I mean, supposedly that's why they're making them so long, so that you forget and you get it to smash in your helmet. Not like crushing, but you get notified that you forgot. But here it wasn't that prominent. Okay. 40. No. Yeah. So this whole area is around the military airfield, and well, it's quite interesting how it was growing overall. But now the buildings are like kind of like crazy. Before it was more or less chill. Oh guys, here is by the way the beer brewery. Oh, maybe that's why the guys are so happy. I mean, it's Thursday evening, it's not Friday evening. Chill down. But maybe they have something to celebrate for this one. Okay, so what do we do? Choose slightly different route. Straight. Somehow today I'm slipping into this like road crevices. Not quite a big deal. I mean, I shouldn't explain that it starts wobbling and all other stuff. Definitely not something I would do on the bike. But yeah. In recent bike magazine, it should be already out, they're writing that supposedly the riding on the motorcycle is actually good for health, good for heart even, and for the brain. I don't know how much of this is true. They say it's more of the scientific research. I mean, the whole article is given more in the funny way, in humorous way. We all know that it doesn't need any scientific reason to write, but it's quite interesting to read. So if you get a chance to buy the magazine, definitely get it. They also have the test of the new XSR. I'm not sure if I would want one, because it's kind of a copy of the old sport bike. And it's copy because it's just the fairing. They claim that they increased the what they increased? They increased the rate of the front fork, I guess. But yeah, the funny thing, it was the police. Okay. So they did not increase the frame. They did not increase the chassis. But yeah. I'm not sure how I feel about all this retro wave, let's say, coming out. Because from one side, I mean, all of these new models look funny, but from another side, it's like the new designs are way more interesting. It's not like they exhausted all of the ideas. And yet we get this retrowave. They also had in the same magazine the test of the new GS BMW, but the price for this is like 24,000. I was thinking that it's cheaper actually, but no, it's interesting. Well, not that I am getting the GS or something else. I'm not even sure if it's fun to ride GS. I mean, yes, it's comfortable, but it's just comfortable. It's not like something, hey, I know it says a guy on Yamaha, but Yamaha is this still small, kind of quirky, while Beamer is just a Beamer. I mean, maybe you have to get old to understand this? Maybe, maybe not. No. Okay. Change in the route. Not this like really big one. Oh come on, overtaking him. What was that? S1000R? When we were talking about the Beamer. I mean S1000R is good, but what, 160 horsepower? 170? It's better to get our R. But then you get like 200 horsepower and you're riding 50, it's like very fun. And this shit is getting worse. What the heck is this? It's like with alphas. Either you see like completely clean or you see completely like bullshit. I don't know why they are so ugly, but yeah, they are. Okay, so thank you for watching. I guess we will see what this kind of sound quality is here. Okay, let's try this one. But I mean, if it will be good, maybe I'll be in the airport. If not, then what can I do? Maybe I'll try to add the microphone inside the helmet. So see you.